Looking for a quick escape? Check out the best day trips from Tallinn, where nature, history, and unique experiences come together for a perfect outing.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
The Tallinn City Tour offers a comprehensive combination of both bus and walking excursions, designed to immerse visitors in the rich history and architectural marvels of the city. Participants board a vehicle equipped with audio guides for an engaging experience. The journey begins as the group traverses the historic Old Town area, passing by iconic landmarks such as the towering walls of Toompea Castle and the grand facade of Kadriorg Palace. This segment concludes with a scenic drive along the coastline towards the Tallinn Song Festival grounds, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its significance in Estonian culture and heritage. Navigate through the quaint Gothic dwellings, winding cobblestone streets, and robust fortress walls, traversing the old town of Tallinn comprising Lower Town, home to artisans and merchants, and Upper Town, inhabited by viceroys and nobles. This historical district showcases Tallinn's illustrious past. Delve into its rich tapestry, learning how the city thrived through the centuries by drawing upon foreign invasions and defending itself against them. Discover the nickname town of pepper and salt, rooted in Estonian Germanic communication, and the significance of these spices within the region. The Tallinn Television Tower, standing at a majestic 314 meters in height, stands as the pinnacle of architectural prowess in Estonia and across Northern Europe. This iconic structure serves not merely as a testament to human ingenuity, but also as a beacon for tourism, culture, and leisure. Visitors begin their exploration by traversing to the impressive cinema hall, where they are immersed in a captivating narrative that intertwines the tower's storied past with the profound significance of Estonian independence. Embark on an exhilarating journey along Estonia's captivating coastline, immersing yourself in its verdant landscapes and rich maritime heritage. Commence your exploration at the iconic Olympic Center, constructed specifically for the 1980 Moscow Olympics. Marvel at how these athletic venues were meticulously planned to accommodate the unique challenges presented by the Soviet era. As you traverse the picturesque Vyacheslav Peninsula, venture into the shadowy recesses of the former Soviet air defense base, now transformed into a museum that narrates tales of life beneath the Iron Curtain. This intriguing site offers a glimpse into the stark realities of post-war geopolitical tensions. Embark on an immersive journey through Tallinn, where each encounter becomes an opportunity to explore beyond mere geographical landmarks. Upon arrival, acquaint yourself with your immediate surroundings by exploring your local neighborhood. Delve into the heart of your destination, uncovering hidden gems, culinary delights, and essential transportation routes tailored specifically for your comfort and convenience. Alternatively, select a meeting point such as a prominent landmark or strategic intersection to initiate your guided exploration. This gastronomic journey through Tallinn's historic heart encompasses a diverse array of culinary delights, immersing visitors in the rich tapestry of Estonian gastronomy. Embark on this flavorful exploration, which begins with a visit to the adjacent Baltic Station Market, where one can savor the vibrant aromas and textures of traditional and contemporary Estonian cuisine. This culinary odyssey promises to transport you to the very heart of Estonia, offering a profound encounter with its cultural heritage and modern offerings. The itinerary features approximately 7 distinct dining experiences, each designed to cater to different tastes and preferences. Welcome to Tallinn, the beautiful capital of Estonia. A guided walking tour through the charming cobbled streets of Tallinn's Old Town offers an immersive exploration of the city's rich history, architectural marvels, and cultural tapestry. Spanning approximately 2 hours, the itinerary commences at Town Hall Square, where visitors can marvel at the exquisite Gothic architecture of the Town Hall building and gain insight into its historical significance. Subsequently, we traverse the labyrinthine alleys and narrow streets of the Old Town, pausing briefly before the iconic Stolofs Church, the tallest structure in Estonia.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.